You guys, what's up? Basically today, um, yeah, today, let me flip in. How the fudge do I do this? Uh, but yeah, screw it, bro. It doesn't even matter. But basically, today I didn't do a whole lot of crazy things. What I did is I went to work, right? I went to work, um, worked. I did like 7 hours, 6 hours of work. Went to the gym in the morning. Um, I did some stuff like that. I got my signatures for some stuff I was doing. But I wanted to pop on and I wanted to continue the streak. I wanted to get the journal done. So let me kind of run you through what I need to do for today. I need to start meditating today. So at least 3 minutes a night. Did put me on. Let me put you guys on my main monitor real quick. Um, but what I need to do is I need to get this Forex spot set up. After I get that Forex spot set up, I need to go and back test. After that, I need to write some broadcast emails, and I also need to create an email flow. Um, I might just listen to this while I do it. But I gotta practice piano. Gotta practice piano. I gotta practice violin. Gotta learn how to snap too. But yeah. Homecoming is coming up soon, so definitely I have to get some plans for that. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Um, but for now, let me quickly kind of take you guys through my trading strategy. Let me refine it every day. I think maybe if I say it every single day, it'll help me refine it better. So, for those of you that don't know, my trading strategy is very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out the previous day's highs and low zones like this. I'm going to go on the 15-minute chart. I'm going to mark them out like this. So just the low of the day, all the way to like the next candle or whatever candle makes sense, and I do the same with the high. And I'm also going to do the same with the pre-markets. What I'm going to do is then I'm going to wait for some sort of move. Oops. I'm going to wait for some sort of move to occur. After that move occurs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to then just wait for some sort of breakout out of there. So if I go to this day, right, if I go to this day like this, I saw a breakout right here. This would have been a loser, right? But it was in the opening, so I'm not sure. I might have been skeptical. Take it. We broke back above. I don't even want to touch it. Break out of the zone again, very weak candle, enter, set a target at the next zone or next kind of level. So like let's say I broke this zone, I would want to go to maybe the pre-market level if it had some pre-market level or maybe like the next zone. I obviously want to scale at the new high of days, new low of days. Um, Now for my entry criteria, I want to see a reaction off the 13 EMA. I either want to see a very weak candle like this that digs into the 13 EMA and bounces off. As well as this, I would also be okay with seeing like some sort of engulfing candle. So like, for example, let me see, yeah. So something like this, that looks a little less ugly and big. Like if it was like a little candle, like a candle that broke through and then just like straight up candle that ate it. Something like this, yeah. Not perfect, but you guys are kind of gonna get the point. Like it eats it and just goes. But yeah. Like if this occurred on 13 EMA, that would be a good entry criteria for me. Yeah, something like this. But I'd enter on that and I'd basically just enter on the close and target the next zone. It's a very simple strategy. I hope it works. I think it does work. I know it has an edge. I just have to execute on that edge. Obviously, when it comes to futures and stuff, I need to learn how to chart on futures. So you know what? That is something let's do now. All right, ES1. Let's look up ES man. I wonder if they have. Um, I don't even think they have futures on this, which kind of sucks. Um, I mean, it looks like they have futures. So, man, do they have anything or what is all these futures? These are all like weird futures. I don't know why they have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all these weird looking ones like European fuel and stuff like that. Like, I don't know why they don't just have the regular one, but that's okay. Um, but yeah, that's my trading strategy. Of course, I'm gonna enter options on it, or ideally I want to enter futures. Um, but yeah, that's honestly it. Just back test on here. This is a super short video. Now I did hop on a call with Trading Plus today to get the Forex spot sorted out. So I got that kind of working. Um, yeah, but we made $100 today just from working. Probably less, more like 70, $80. Super easy job, so I'll take it. But that's about it for me today, guys. I'm gonna make sure I meditate. I'm gonna make sure I practice. I need to get some school work done as well. I've been really starting to hate school more and more. Like, to show you guys, I really do hate school. School is honestly probably the worst thing ever, dude. Like, you just show up there and that's really it. You don't do much else besides that. I know I have a ton of passwords, but I mean, like, this is so stupid, right? Like, look at this. You gotta. Sorry, let me open this up. But look at this. Like, I need to answer all these questions, and like, I need to write like a paragraph for each one of them, which is just absolutely insane. I don't know who in their right mind is doing this like the regular way. Um, but whatever, right? So we just move on, and yeah, see ya.